Real-time captions on your OBS with LocalVocal. Hi everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to set up LocalVocal on your OBS. To start, you need to download and install OBS. Go on obsproject.com and download the one for your operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'm just going to download that and run through the OBS installer. Second, you would want to go to LocalVocal to download the latest version. You can do that from LocalAI and click on GitHub here. Find LocalVocal from the projects and you will get to the GitHub page where you will find releases. You can find the latest release or just click one of these download links here, like Windows, for example. So let's click that. Once it's downloaded, make sure that you keep it and run the installer. Run through the rest of the installer until LocalVocal is installed on your machine. Next, go to OBS. Inside OBS, add an audio input or any sort of capture from a camera or even the desktop where you have an audio channel. Once your audio channel is set up, click the filter button in here or in here to open the filters for the audio channel. Click plus and select LocalVocal transcription. Once you do that, you're getting the simple mode for the settings where you can set up the output destination for your subtitles, which would automatically be created in your OBS scene, your input language, and your transcription model. It comes pre-packaged with a whispered tiny model. However, we do have hundreds of other models for any major language. The standard ones here at the top are quite capable handling many languages under many conditions. If you have a CUDA GPU, it's best to use one of the larger models like the large or the medium kind. Once you add LocalVocal to your audio input, it will show up as captions on your screen immediately. You can set up different settings for this text source, like the size of the font or the color, and you can adjust it so that it comes up nicely on your screen as part of your stream. This is a simple tutorial on setting LocalVocal up with your OBS. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.